In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a click-to-tweet in WordPress. Have you seen those beautiful quote boxes on popular sites which encourage users to tweet? These click-to-tweet quote boxes are very effective in increasing your site engagement and getting more shares on Twitter. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add these click-to-tweet boxes on your website. I'm going to add the click-to-tweet box on this post. And I'll make this part of the post into a click-to-tweet. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Better Click-to-Tweet plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'm going to link it in the description below. Now, go to the post you want to add the click-to-tweet in. I'll edit this post. Highlight the part you want to add in the tweet box. Copy this text as well. And here you can see we have the Better Click-to-Tweet shortcode generator option. So click on it. Paste the text we just copied here in the tweetable quote. You can choose to add your username below the tweet, and here you can add your Twitter username. Then click on OK, and as you can see, the highlighted part is now enclosed in a shortcode option. Click on Update, and now let's go to the post. I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see, the text is now a click-to-tweet, and your viewer can just click on this box and they get redirected to Twitter where they can share the tweet. This is how you can add a click-to-tweet in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap that bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.